Jungle.
Welcome to JOM'S World of Arts and Crafts YouTube channel. Let's withdraw from drugs, withdraw from bad habits, withdraw from bad attitudes. We draw.
Always remember that every child is an artist, the problem is how to remain an artist once he grows up. A quote from Picasso. Our topic for today is about introduction to pencil drawing supplies. Drawing is a wonderful art form in itself, but it is also an excellent exercise for other forms of art like painting for instance. Learning how to draw will truly open your mind to your surroundings, enabling you to really see what is before you. They can take your mind off anything that is stressing you out, and are a great way to enjoy yourself and let your mind rest. Drawing and sketching are great hobbies that you can do at any time. Now, on choosing your drawing supplies. There are a variety of different drawing tools available for today's artists, and what you choose to work with is based on your own preference. It comes down to experimentation. You have to work with a number of different things before you find the tools that fit your style of drawing. As you go along, you'll discover where you're good at. Don't go out and spend a ton of money on your drawing supplies in the beginning. You can really get started with a beginner pencil set and some newsprint paper. When you become more experienced, you can then venture out and spend money on better supplies. These are several drawing supplies such as graphite pencils, charcoal pencils, blending tortillons, erasers such as kneaded eraser and eraser pencil. In addition to drawing supplies are fixatives, paper and horsehair drafting brush. Let's begin with graphite pencils. It range in hardness and are labeled from 9H to 9B pencils. The H pencils are the hardest. The higher the number in front of the H, the lighter the mark. The B pencils are softest. The higher the number in front of the B, the darker the mark. The H pencils are generally used for detailed lines, where the B pencils will produce rich dark lines great for bold expressive drawings. While charcoal pencils also come in a range of hardness and are labeled either from H to B like graphite, or simply as soft, medium, or hard. They have a noticeably different feel to them and produce a rich dark line. It tends to wear pretty fast because of their softness. Blending tortillons tightly wound stumps of paper with a point used to blend in your drawings. Erasers, you may want to have a few different types of erasers on hand to fit every occasion. Kneaded eraser, a soft pliable eraser that can be kneaded into any shape to pick up and remove pencil and charcoal. Eraser pencil, these are wonderful for getting into small areas of your drawings. They can also be sharpened like ordinary pencils. Fixatives protect your drawings from being smudged or ruined. There are two types of fixatives, permanent and workable. Permanent fixatives are used on a finished drawing to protect, where a workable fixative is used during the drawing process as you are working. Use great care while working with fixatives by only using in a well-ventilated area. When spraying the fixative, make sure you do not spray any one section for too long and only spray a light mist standing about 3 feet away from the drawing. You should probably experiment on a few practice drawings first to determine if a fixative is right for you. There appears to be a difference of opinion amongst artists when it comes to fixatives. Paper, in the beginning, for the purpose of practice, you may want to consider purchasing some inexpensive newsprint paper. You should be able to get this at any local art store or online. When you are ready to purchase a more expensive grade paper, choose something that will work best with the medium you use. Paper comes in a variety of different textures from smooth to rough, often referred to as its tooth. A really smooth paper may not work well for some mediums as the surface lacks texture, and will not grab certain drawing mediums very well. If the paper is too rough, the medium may simply slide across the surface. You have to experiment with different papers to find the one you are most comfortable with. Strathmore brand makes excellent paper that is very popular amongst artists. Horsehair drafting brush. You should be able to purchase a horsehair drafting brush at any local art supply store or online store. This is a really helpful tool for brushing away unwanted eraser scraps from your drawing. In the upcoming videos, these drawing supplies will be applied. If you are a person who is interested in learning how to draw, just continue watching this channel for more video uploads. And you can also search JOM'S World of Art for Kids on Facebook. Please watch out for more video uploads. Give it a thumbs up and share with your friends so we keep making them. For more videos to give you more knowledge about drawing, just hit the subscribe button. And remember to click on notification bell. Maraming salamat sa panunood.
Goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to me. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye!
Till next time, guys.
Goodbye!